Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off device synchronization on your Amazon shopping app. We'll go to figure out this solution. Just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. You just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on account, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here. So you keep going, then you click here on content and devices, then it's going to take you to next window here, and it's going to open video, so like this, and you just go up, you click here on preferences here on up, then it's going to take you to next window here. So you just waiting to open with us, and you go down here and you come here to device synchronizations. You will click, then you click here on, and it's going to show for you like this. You click here on off, and like you see now, it's going to turn off with us. That's all. I wish know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.